Impre mbika saying Captain Smart onye adwuma wo Onua TV bio. Onwa pam na fi Onua TV. Obi beka say o Captain kasa na waji adwuma no. Anya no kwareda. Enye Captain ankasa na waji adwuma no. Na mu adwuma wura na age na adwuma afini nsem. So ntimi ne ntuaso bio.
Baby I dey adwuma shower sa aya ye. Quit when that process loud. So that the people, because of relationship, how I've hurt my kids, because of marriage, how I've hurt the entire family, my colleagues, because of the nero. I am going to help, hide, and help myself.
Captain Smart BGS is different from Dr. Boris Edu BGS.
Say BGS Group Media. Me see under my cancer. People think that yes, it's radio and TV. So BGS Group of Companies is my company. BGS Group of Companies about Sami Menka. It's got a lot of encrobata. It's about 14 put together. Me call duase na me koto asase.
Kenya si duase.
Kenya si duase na me koto asase. Na mesidan. Misi ye ba maton. And guys na omudi ohine ne nkrofo na chi no. I realize say enya asase ton na se omo. They deserve say ombe ye adwuma bosum so betu amka. Because ade chi na say obi ambeto asase a na ye ton asase na se san obeye nden. And that is why I started BGS Furniture.
Mema etiefo ni ahwefo akwaba ediba koda media TV so samiri. Edini yekachiri eja yawo odi asempa jumedi ya watu ndi chirichirim. Ena medibere etiefo ni ahwefo. Enti ndedi kan worba sene yenda no wa subscribe to Koda Media TV. Jumedi ni kosono. Na wa like na wa share na ofoforo nso enya bi eti. Abranti ya nimfoni da kasafiri sui. Ofreno Captain Kwadwo Smart. Abranti oye radio broadcaster. Na impirindi oye adwuma wo Onua TV. Media General. Na ntia Koda Media TV fo yenya ne se wonga pamno fi adwumam. Esense wori obi adwuma won fa okokoso nsem na ye adwuma no. Your producers ne wode be ma wono eho adwuma na wo ye. Esense Captain Smart is na ni anti oyo ni ono pe. Mpayin se woni tu bebiriba o ma ponchiachi. Yo. Impre mbika saying Captain Smart onye adwuma wo Onua TV bio. Onwa pam na fi Onua TV. Yenua Captain Yobia. Minim ni pidi nanso ne ho nsam te se borofri mu aba. Yo. Na baby obedu biara obete Captain nka. Enti dodo na frɛ no anamatenka. Yo. Na etiefo muntie kasa okan mra wode ne krata man se yentimi ne wanya adwuma bio no. Oka okasa bi. Nyanda junati kasa okan no.
Me, I am done. By the grace of God, we will meet somewhere. We will meet somewhere. And baby, I do my show inside. I am here. Quit when that process loud. So that the people, because of relationship, how I've hurt my kids, because of marriage, how I've hurt the entire family, my colleagues, because of the nero. I am going to help, hide and help myself. So, JB will take over. Maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years, maybe 1 week, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. It can be any day, can be anything. But I must thank you and say I love you for you being with me from 2001, 1st June 2021 to 5th May 2025.
Mebo another video di akyerɛw. Na wonhu nipa ko a Captain Smart oyerepa. Enti technician yenko ne yenkutie.
Nti say no owo akonya owo adaje. Say you're a very busy person. So betumi set up a business I employ for ka be yes ade no.
Oh yeah. Say BGS Group Media. Me see under me cancel. People think that yes at radio and TV. So BGS Group of Companies is my company.
Oh moye den.
Okay. Just find time and Google. BGS Group is my company.
I employ for be saying.
BGS Group is mine. Oh, go ahead.
Me question because I am surprised.
Registrar General. Oh, kwa umumbo BGS no. B Blessed Jean Godsprin S Smart. Yeah, Juma Okruma ada. And just about 7-8 years ago, yeah, in a catcher and said, and then I left it.
This is your debut.
Hey, media.
But what time she said I knew.
No, Juana may no me guminsem. Oh, we've done a lot for this country, and I think we need to do more.
And no company now setting up.
BGS Group of Companies about Samimenka. It's got a lot of encrobata. It's about 14 put together. Oko Registrar General. They can pull
BGS
everything.
Your mother.
BGS na your mother.
And was
here.
Oh.
Baby was here.
And it's been in existence for how many years? 8 years.
Ewa kakra fine.
I want more workers in na.
Oh, they know me.
This is the first time I'm hearing this. Me tell what them that.
Oh, Emre be crow much say I check akra sometime be they had to bring in President Kufuor that then President Kufuor knows nothing about BGS Group of Companies. Yes, I mean in 2003 I got it registered, but President Kufuor knows nothing about that. So the people who wrote about Kufuor,
let's about media in 2 years now register.
Yeah, Kufuor and BGS, then you do baby crano, almost the Fidelity Bank crab a frafre money there because all my life I've saved with Fidelity. As soon as Fidelity buy me who you kumasi a doom, may I think the second person I may be account or. You know, there was a lady called Asabia who opened my account for me, and then BGS, and you know, some baby.
Then I'll be a company. No?
I realized, me call duase na me koto asase.
Kenya si
duase na me koto asase. Na mesidan, misi ye ba maton. And guys na omudi ohine nkrofo na chi no. I realized enya asase ton na se omo. They deserve se omo be ye adwuma bosum so betu amaka. Because ade chi na se obi am beto asase a na ye ton asase na se san obeye nden. And that is why I started BGS Furniture.
Just as a furniture.
Mr. T
furniture
BGS
business.
Mr. T BGS Furniture.
Carpenters na ye.
Na pam na me de call. Na ya pam desks na de call. Na ya Toby na to other oh me rafi company di no mo de chem so kwan no so mo ya carpenter for pa big time. Nti me bosom so na o take photo ya me car. Na me de bi call no mama me konwa na bi. Na me so ma ton. So I got those two guys. Ajimani or Seshiamai that they should take over until Omu Kwaje normal Koton Omu Ghanaanaba. And then I said that I will not pay you at the end of the month. Because within the space of 30 days, you know, you cannot survive. So I was paying them every week. Until I agree say I meet you out 10 cedis. Meaning say every week I see you out 2 cedis 50 pesos, and then I'll give you the money. Tembiano, you have money as a man to run yourself and others. That's what I'm saying, that your president to be an Adrian Juma, he should change the global norm. You see, and yet the BNSS will be here Juma 30 days and see Trianica. Can we do it that every 2 weeks you'll be paid?
Or salary na yenchem 2.
Or salary no yenchem 2 eh?
Wose oniwe wajino konfuano. Captain Kasankasa na enu mutung sore kra. Obi beka se o Captain Kasa na waji adwuma no. Anya no kwareda. Enye Captain Kasa na waji adwuma no. Na emu adwuma wura na agye na adwuma afini nsem. So ntimi ne ntuaso bio. Enti ompe baby mfa. Enye nkuto na Captain Smart wara pam na fi adwuma mu. Tech FM. Bisi Dr. Kweko Otin Angel FM. Ni adom ni nara. Minye enchro letter so meje adwuma the BGS so man a second letter. Say yentimi nto asonti enga yiwadi. Captain so journey Onua TV 1st June 2021. Which so no one adwuma sign. Nearby our permanent day. Woman for me fan to free mu ansa. Me de bebrem na me de to free mu ansa. Yo. Na oyobia Captain very smart. One in nam na wan hweni ya. Oja okwan no na orisan wo ho. Yo. We say so boafo nya na anko biya yiye. Eden ya obi bebu obi. Mbebi otwam abesenko on a former road minister amwakwanta our former Peace FM mile 7 ufi mile 7 junction wa uruko krum hono taxi rank bi wo asembi si wo ho na okasa kira kwa time otwa so nsem di AP na enu achi no Captain Grant interview on your review Onua TV ho. Na Captain my reality asese nye TV sunkuto ena oye adwuma ana radio nkwa na oye adwuma no watu kubi ana company bi a wofre no BGS. Enti ewura na twetwe na so. Sanse ewura no ni BGS. Se oye business tycoon or Ghana ha. Oko Ghana Poultry Farmers Association on the vice president. Papay BGS company na award no BGS group of companies. Na dodo na freno Boris B. Oka Boris B na ena ya wo hu ni ntem. Or about 17 offending companies. Company baako no awo nkrabata maako 17. Because branch wa Nigeria, California. O produce chicken feed nyakaka kahuniama pi. Na captain so no sunu company the BGS into mo behwe a awurani pushi na aye so kwako Google no akohwe no so wonko register general na ko register general oba ko to say BGS no eyo no ko jo smart de na ni aye hu mu ne say sa GBS no abbreviation. Could you smart to baby no BGS? A bad they said do not because you the meaning or the full name of BGS. nti ugoro ho a Kwadwo smart din bididi nti yebesre Boris B say obedi sa shit wo ho from sa Captain Smart and Samuna Hurricane. We have to come out and let Ghanaian know say BGS Juma udidini uyeyi magada fu ukutani onyam kese wo serve Ghana fu yie nti ma Captain Fani Kunkuma mese wo ha life Sauriti Koda Media TV and Tempeyara Magana fu nia Juma udi with that your company BGS essence Captain so company often BGS I mean ni say Oko register general for be register two companies with the same name because Oka BGS send be din kanka no why abbreviate Kasebi and akwess bi Neon Pentem correct the full meaning of BGS we take it simple say BGS Boris B company ko you mind so betimi afasade de adwuma bebre wasase so nti ebesere obi biara when the captain be shia wadwuma yim our station hono also about 14 branches. Also 14 branches. Now 14 branches no. A rain beside say, Tinipa do ahe and a why employ. When to me a man no answer. Inti yebesre. Obi biara. Obe pesa one captain be ye adwuma no. Na me chire ne say from Koda Media TV say Captain Smart BGS is different from Dr. Boris Edu BGS. Senebe yo chinebi onfa hon konkoto esani bi mu. Seneme din kama wati video no. Ene kasa okain interview no kasa okain senena urane si pushi no to the wall senebe yo benya information fin in chain na captain red dodge friend then questions no since so company now 14 branch of one mother company now we be so how many employment in a year now went to me and chere dia na asem di echi mesere minu ya Ghanafo obi biara we businessman now be share side BGS mesere no obi samu yi because of the BGS adodo na animu no Dr. Boris Bedu Ghana Poultry Farmers Association on the vice president. Anya dakro obeto ehuba na akawim. Anya dakro obema dokoro so na meko nka ho. Koda Media TV so na wotie. Edin biwe me kachiri eja ya wodi asempa. Dwumedi ya watu ndi chiremu. Ene na ya mede somatie fo ne mahwafo. Se na bidin kankan na edika woro baso a na wa subscribe to Koda Media TV no abaka busu akase na ho. Insem bi sai bi ba na wodi bia to kotodwem wuti de wodi tuma adwendwenti bia na akofim jumede ni koso na wa like na wa share na afoforo so anya bia ti mpanyisa na modudu bia ko wie abobo ano mame mfa ntwere ha ombeti bin kan biu